Let's create a professional product video shoot without ever leaving the desk. Immersing products into beautiful high-end photo environments is already cool, but turning that into a video? Even cooler. I start by choosing from one of many ready-made product reveal templates, each crafted for impact. All I need is a single product image. Or, if I want a full creative control, I switch to custom prompting mode and take the driver's seat. Want to add a voiceover? Easy. Just type in my script, choose the tone of voice, and the AI handles the delivery. Ready, set, action. And the video is done in seconds. What used to take a full production shoot is now effortless and accessible to everyone.
Introducing Aureole, citrus blossom, where fresh petals meet radiant allure.
Okay, that was the business side of things. But Motion Studio isn't just about sleek product videos, it's also about having fun. Let's take a regular selfie and turn it into a mermaid moment. I upload the photo and Motion Studio brings it to life. In just one click, I've got a moving, expressive video that looked like it took hours to animate. Spoiler, it didn't. And if you've got old memories you want to bring back to life, we've got you. Just drop in a still image and watch these moments move again. Something that seemed impossible yesterday is reality now, at this moment, with Motion Studio.